In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store name. Whether you're rebranding your store or simply want to give it a fresh new identity, changing your store name can be an important step. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring you feel confident and clear about each step. First, we'll begin by navigating to the correct area in your Shopify dashboard. Start on your main Shopify admin homepage. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. The Settings section is where you'll manage all the key elements of your store, so becoming familiar with this area is a good idea. Once you're in the Settings area, you'll see a panel on the left side with various options. What we need to focus on is the General section. Click on it. The General settings are critical because they hold the core information about your store, including your store name, legal business name, and other essential details. Now that you're in the General settings, you'll notice that there is a section labeled Store Details. This is where all the pertinent information about your store is displayed. What we're interested in right now is the current store name. Beside this, you'll see a pen icon. This pen icon indicates that you can edit this specific piece of information. Click on it, and this will open up the field, allowing you to make the changes you desire. Think carefully about what you'd like your new store name to be. Your store name is often one of the first impressions your visitors will have, so make sure it reflects the brand or message you wish to convey. Once you've settled on the perfect name, go ahead and type it into the text box provided. After you've typed in your new store name, it's important to save your changes. You'll want to find the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of this section. Click Save, and congratulations, you've successfully changed your Shopify store name. It really is that simple. Now, your store should be reflecting its new name across the platform. Remember, your new store name will appear on all customer-facing areas of your store, including the checkout and your store's title bar. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on changing your Shopify store name. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below or check out the Shopify Help Center for more detailed information. Until next time, happy selling!